Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to export customer lists on Sellfy. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in sellfy.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Sellfy if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us. So in the top left corner, as you can see, we have your name where we can check out your account settings, billing, email notifications, your purchases, and the logout option. But now guys, let's see, of course, how you can go and export customer lists on Sellfy. So it's pretty simple and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So first of all, as I already told you, log into your Sellfy account. After that, in your sidebar menu, navigate to orders and then go and click on export. After clicking on export guys, select your preferred date range in the top of the bar. After that, click request report. And after clicking request report guys, then once the report is generated, you can find it in your export history below. Click download to save the report to your computer or laptop so you have it of course on it. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notification on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I already told you, I hope that you enjoyed the video. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.